That's all.
Bye guys. No Let's go there. Oh my god. Nicole, look at this. What the hell?
Dude, where would someone even wear that? 6 p.m. finals, 8 p.m. disco party.
Oh my god, this reminds me of the first time we went thrifting. Do you remember?
Right, the toga. Dude, that was so long ago. I wonder if anyone actually bought that thing.
Honestly, I doubt it. But nowadays, right, it feels like my designs are gonna end up like that stupid toga. Like, is anyone even gonna buy what I make?
Priya, stop. You're so talented and you put in so much effort in what you do. Like, you're doing just fine.
Aw, you're so sweet. You know, I wish my parents were half as nice. Especially my mom. And nowadays, right, I'm actually starting to believe her. It feels like my dreams are just gonna end up as dreams.
Priya, like I said, you're doing great. Stop letting your mom gaslight you and stop gaslighting yourself. Besides, you have all the support you need right here in front of you. And you also have that, what was his name again?
Alright, I admit it. I'm so lucky to have Kiran. I don't know what I would do without him.
Yeah, good for you. Look at this.
What? You should get it.
No.
You need some flair in your wardrobe. Oh my god. Look at this. What? It's really cute.
Wait. Actually, I think I'll make my baby wear that. Like, seriously.
Your baby? Where did your baby come from? I think you missed a few steps. The right sequence is first get a boyfriend, then get married, and then have a child.
Right. I know that, but I'm just so excited to finally meet Prince Charming, have the cutest babies, and finally start a family.
Don't worry. Prince Charming is on his way right now even. He's probably just like stuck in traffic or something.
Yeah, right. He's like out there taking pictures of the roads, buildings, random people on the streets. I don't know.
I heard that. Don't worry. He'll come around. In the meantime, let's focus on the good stuff, yeah?
Like shopping.
Yes, let's
Let's
go.
go.
Shit, man. Honestly, I just feel like everything I do is just a little bit not good enough. Like, let's say I come home with a distinction, right? From them, it's like, why didn't you top the class? Why didn't you get onto the dean's list? Hey, but you also got no idea what I'm talking about, right? Let me ask you this. How does it feel to be that guy that every parent compares their poor child to, huh?
Feels pretty damn good, bro.
Too bad. Boring as fuck lah.
Oh shit.
Okay lah, sorry lah, I'm not cool enough for you. Not everyone has a million hobbies. You know what? Maybe if you spend less time taking pictures of random shit, then your GPA would be better.
Wow, okay. Bro, you know going for my photography is a low blow. You know why not? At least I have a life, right?
Whoa, guys. Let's take a deep breath before things get out of hand, yeah? Besides, you're both cool, smart, and sexy. Anyways, stop the bickering and help me settle something. Can someone please tell my beautiful girlfriend here That her drink tastes like sweaty feet.
You have the palate of a child, Kiran. This kombucha is an acquired taste for those of us with class.
Milo is a classy drink too, you know.
Okay, enough of that. The rest of us are still here.
Oops, sorry guys. What were we talking about?
I was just telling Ryan how amazing I thought his photography was.
And I guess I was congratulating Sham on topping the cohort yet again.
Don't worry about topping the cohort or whatever, bro. Everyone's trying to figure stuff out, you know. Like, Mr. Perfect's life here isn't all sunshine and rainbows. Am I right?
You get it, bro?
Hey guys, check this out. Hey, I'm Mr. Perfect. Stellar grace that never waver. Looks good on the surface. Shiny, perfect future waiting. But where am I going? I'm sleeping on my dreams. What does my life really mean? Is this how it's meant to be? I want to live my best to learn what lights fire under me. The board is set and it's my turn, 'cause I know it's meant to be.
Stop, smile for the picture. Look your best to move around. But can't this little hobby ever make my parents proud? Should I keep trying to be the perfect son? What if that isn't me? I guess I'll change myself to be the son that you see in your dreams. Give up what's making my heart beat. I'll earn your love and make you proud, 'cause that's how it has to be.
When's my lover coming? Fetch me from this ivory tower. I've been hoping, praying that I won't end up alone. When will he notice how I've been feeling? Does he even feel the same? So when will it finally be my turn to start building my own home? Two kids, Prince Charming in my world. No more broken hearts for me, with my Mr. Meant to be. I feel as though our dreams will come together soon. My love is here to stay, and it's the world against us two.
Through thick and thin, we'll figure out these things together. With you, don't even have to think about the weather.
My heart is sure with love and hope you'll make it work.
It's something rare to know that we were meant to be.
With you I could do anything I wanted. It's true that it's true love and will forever be.
The wind is crashing in our sails. The sun is shining on our cheeks. So close to living out our dreams. The future's here and it won't fail, 'cause I know we're meant to be.
Ryan, come on, you act so cold, but we both know you care about him.
Look, okay, I mean, congrats to Sham. But, I mean, it's really not a surprise. Everyone and their mother knew that, I mean, he would really just get offered a master's program, right?
You mean your mother, is it?
You are very funny, huh?
Well, 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 if it isn't Master Sham.
Yeah, that's not really how it works, dude.
Hey, congrats, man.
Thanks, yeah.
Hey, you must be on top of the world, right? I mean, you've been wanting this forever.
Yeah, thanks. I'm definitely happy about it, but I'm not super duper happy about it.
What? What? What do you mean?
Yeah, haven't you been wanting this since primary 3? That's crazy. Anyways, I'm super duper happy for you, Sham.
Yeah, thanks again, but like, honestly, it's kind of underwhelming, to be honest with you. I don't know. I'm just not crazy passionate about stuff like Ryan is.
I mean, dude, I would kill to be you, you know? You know how many people outside are just like fighting for a chance at further studies? And you're not even happy when master's programs just fall into their lap like this? Wow, I mean, if I was offered a master's program, wow, I mean, my parents could retire happily, wow, they would have a good life.
Anyways, I am super pumped for you, Sham. All those late nights of mugging finally paid off. And for Rai, your nights of mugging will pay off too. Although, you can make your photography work out as well. No matter what your parents say.
Yeah, it's whatever you say lah.
Sorry guys, I gotta go, but congrats again, Sham, and y'all play nice.
Where is Kieran? I'm getting sick of his attitude. Like, he doesn't care about anything at all, you know? What about my feelings?
Wait, he didn't text you that he's
He
gonna
didn't
be
drop a
late?
text, nothing. Like, who does this? When he's with the boys, he just forgets about everything. I'm getting sick of this, really. He better come in the next 5 minutes or I'm walking out of here. Finally, Kieran, I was starting to think you were in a car crash or something. Would it kill you to drop me a text that you're running late?
I'm so sorry, babe. I got caught up with the boys and I lost track of time. I'll do better next time, I promise.
Okay, enough fighting. Anyways, guess who got hall for year 4? No homelessness, thank you very much.
Yeah, I'm so relieved for you. 2-hour commutes are no joke. And speaking of non-homelessness,
We got a BTO!
Oh my god, I just got another offer.
Wow, I'm
I'm
so
so happy
happy
for
for you.
It must feel so nice to have all I want. A new home for these two lovers.
It must be really nice to have it all. Proud parents and a future. But here I am and I have nothing to show. I'm picking up the bricks and you're building a castle. It takes all I have.
It takes all I have to say.
I'm happy for you. Bro, I'm gonna take a walk, huh?
Guys, give me a second. I'll be back soon. See ya.
The bright path you're on, I'm not nearly there. Well, that's life, so I'll let it be.
The true love I see, I'm waiting for him, but alas he isn't waiting for me.
Well, now you're heading off, and I'm proud of you. I'll celebrate the life you lead. Why can't it be me too?
y'all must be so happy that your housing situation is finally settled. I, on the other hand, can't move out for ages or have anyone to move in with.
All settled. This is just the beginning of a new mess, Nick.
Yeah, Nick, we honestly didn't think we would get it. Now we have to settle our down payments and our finances. There's just so much to do.
I guess it's not that simple, but at least you guys have each other. Ryan, on the other hand, doesn't even know how I feel about him, much less feel the same.
Ryan's a little dense, Nick, but I'm sure he'll come around. Don't worry, I'll be your wingman.
Hey, thanks for coming over. Sorry I didn't want to go out today. I think it's the weather. I'm just not feeling well.
No worries, babe. What were you doing before I got here?
Oh, I was just looking at some amazing storefront options in Tanjong Pagar. And I'm really liking this one unit. Oh, and also there's a really famous cafe down the street there. Maybe we could visit it sometime. Wink, wink.
That's amazing, babe, but weren't you gonna work from home while we got started? We weren't sure you'll be able to make rent, or am I misremembering?
Yeah, but my sales on Etsy and Carousel have just been doing so well, so I thought a physical store might be viable. You don't think I'll be able to make rent?
Well, making rent is really hard nowadays for small stores. And I think you should aim for something a bit more realistic.
Yes, I understand that, but I just wish you would be more supportive about it. With a physical store, people will actually see my clothes and walk in. It would be so good for my sales.
I thought I was being supportive, and I think having a physical storefront is amazing. I know you will someday, but starting off with one seems to be a bit risky. And Tanjong Pagar, that's a prime location. The rent there is something else. I don't know. Maybe we should aim for something more achievable.
I really think it's achievable though. You should see how my online store is doing and the mentions I'm getting on Instagram. People really seem to like what I'm doing. I really think this could work and I want it to work. Don't you?
You know I do, babe, but I'm still not sure. Have you asked your parents what they think? What if you can't make rent and have to borrow money from them?
What are you trying to say? That my boutique is unattainable? You think it's unrealistic? You want me to ask my parents? You know damn well they don't support me.
That's not what I mean. You know that's not what I mean, Priya. I'm just trying to look out for you. You know I love you.
Stop trying to manipulate me. All I want from you is your support.
Is that really what you think of me? After all this time, that I'm trying to manipulate you? I'm just trying to look out for you so you don't get hurt. You're really gonna stand there and talk to me like I'm some kind of asshole who doesn't care? You're treating me like I'm your fucking mother!
Get out of my house! How could you say that? I never want to see you again! Get out! Never come back here again!
Kieran, if I had $1 for every single time I heard you sigh, I think I can buy 6 Taylor Swift VIP tickets by now. What's happening?
It's Priya. We had a fight and it did not end well. I was trying to help her with her boutique and what does she want from me? Does she want me to lie to her and let her do something reckless?
You're asking me? Bro, don't ask me. I'm literally as clueless as you are.
And for all my love and affection, what do I get? I get chased away like a rat, like a freaking cockroach.
Kieran, I'm sure it'll all work out. Couples fight all the time. It's normal.
Lol, you only think it's normal because, I mean, you're used to it, right? Look at your father.
I'm sure Ryan didn't mean that. Especially when he knows how you feel about your dad. Besides, you're nothing like him. You actually love the people around you. Anyways, your goals and dreams are not just a shitty way of coping with being lonely, Nick. Isn't that right, Ryan?
Yeah, I mean, I really didn't mean anything like that. And honestly, I just thought maybe some humor might make things better, right? Okay, clearly not. I'm sorry.
Okay, fine. Apology accepted.
Thanks, Nick.
That's great. I'm so glad you all patched it up so quickly. But I wish I could say the same.
Like I said, I'm sure everything will be fine. Kieran, you're genuinely the most empathetic person I know. For reals.
Wait! Empathy! God, I'm an asshole. Of course you think I'm empathetic because I'm not actually involved. But once my feelings get in the way, all my empathy and listening skills go out the damn window.
Bro, neither of us have any idea what you're talking about.
I was so busy trying to make her understand what I was saying that I didn't stop to listen to what she was saying. And I mentioned her mother when I knew how much it hurt her. I really messed up this time.
Whoa, whoa, whoa. Slow down. Where are you going?
To make things right, hopefully. Dearest Priya, I'm hoping this letter finds you well. In the near future, when you read this, I can only pray that the words exchanged last Friday are nothing more than the lingering remnant of a bad dream. I'm writing this before I see your face again, hoping against all hope that you accept my apology for what I've done. I know now what it means to support your dreams, to give you room to grow and choose your own path. I never want to be the thing holding you back from achieving your absolute best. In the years to come, I pray that you'll be happy and healthy, that you'll bask in the fruits of all your efforts, that you'll feel the warm sun on your face, that you'll scream and sing and cry, and smile so hard your face hurts. And if the universe so wills it, that I'll be by your side then. With love, your Kieran. Easy part's now over. Now to apologize to her in person.
We'll now be having a 15-minute intermission before the second half of our play.
I hope you're doing okay. I'm so sorry for your loss.
Thank you, guys. Oh, I hate it when people say sorry at funerals. Like, why are you sorry? Did you hit him? Anyways, let's ask Kiran's longtime boyfriend how he's doing instead.
Oh, me? Yeah. Haha. Very funny.
Obviously it's you. Who else is it gonna be? Me, ah?
Yeah. Of course not. I mean, I was always Kieran's favorite, right?
Wow, you really know?
Aiyo, what a waste. Ryan's friend Kieran, this one, was such a promising kid. You hear he was on track for honours?
Yeah lor, counselling such a stable job also. Pretty sure could be good money too.
Bro, what the hell?
Dude, who even says these kind of things?
Ryan, are you not gonna do something about your parents?
Look, okay, I'm pissed too. And you can see that, but like, what am I gonna do? Am I supposed to go up to them and scold them at my successful friend's funeral? I mean, it's like y'all really want me to just prove to them I'm a shit son who's willing to publicly embarrass them. I don't know what the hell y'all want me to do. Okay. What if I just apologize on their behalf? I'm sorry. Happy or not?
Hey Ryan,
Hey, Nicole.
can I see you?
Yeah, sure.
So I was planning to just study here by myself, but thankfully I ran into you here today.
Yeah. I think I maybe have some assignments due tomorrow, so I probably should get a start on them.
Wait, you're leaving now?
Yeah, actually, that sounds like yeah, I probably should head home and get a start on my assignment. I'll make a move first.
Wait, Ryan.
Yes?
I was actually hoping to, run into you here today because I wanted to tell you something.
What is it?
So,
Is everything okay, Nick?
I like you. I have liked you for a very long time, and I just thought you.
Is that what this is about? Oh. Man, I'm really sorry, Nick. I mean, I had no idea. And I'm sorry if like I gave mixed signals or something. Like, I mean, I really didn't mean to like lead you on or
Look,
something.
Kieran was helping me out for a while, and after all that happened, I just thought I would.
No, okay. Don't bring Kieran into this. Please, like, what does he have to do with any of this anyway? Like, it's not like bringing him up now and how he was helping you is gonna just make me, like, suddenly fall in love with you.
Right. Look, that was not what I meant. I was just thinking that.
Look, Nicole, it sounds like you're doing too much thinking. You're a nice person, and I mean, I do like you as a friend. I just don't really see you that way, and I mean, honestly, I don't think I'm looking for anything right now with anyone, and I mean, I finally decided that I want to be my own person, and so I can't be anyone's boyfriend right now. Because, I mean, I barely even know who I am, right? I don't know what I want to do in life. I don't know what I want out of myself. Like, do I need to graduate uni? Like, I don't know anything about myself.
Right. But, wait. So you're rejecting me because you want to pursue photography? Because, I mean, it can still work out, like I can still be there to support you. You can still be your own person. Like, if you give us a shot, like, I think we can make it work. You just
Okay, no, Nicole. I do not like you. And right now, you're being a pretty shit friend. So maybe we shouldn't be anything at all.
Okay, yeah, I'll just head off first, I guess.
Nicole?
Hey Sham, I'm so lost right now. Like I don't know what to do.
Yeah, what's up?
Oh my god. I confessed to Ryan, but it didn't work out. What should I do?
Yeah, I really...
It's ridiculous, but I really need him to like me back. But he doesn't need me. He even said I shouldn't be anything to him at all. Can you believe it? Especially after Kieran, like...
I don't know how to help you either. Okay? I'm not Kieran.
What are you talking about? I'm not asking you to be Kieran. I just need a good friend.
But I can't right now. I just lost the best friend I've ever had. And now you want me to be a good friend to you?
The world that I see has fully changed. The friends I have left don't feel the same. The way that you left was far too quick. You're gone, but somehow you're still a dick. So is this it? I'll start from scratch, build new bridges just to see them crash. This can't be it. Why should I try when all I've known has burned and died? All of my friends are in a mess. Nicole's bleeding dry, but I couldn't care less. I know I'm supposed to be there for her. How can I be a friend if all I feel is hurt? When I close my eyes, I see your face. You know how to fix this. I can't take your place. These shoes to fill are too big for me, but I wanna try, be the friend they need. It's not enough to just ride shotgun. Maybe now it's time for me to try. This is what you would have wanted, not for life to pass us by. So this is it. I know it's time to get up and go, to hold the line. So this is it. I'll say goodbye. I'll be a friend like you were. I have to try.
Priya, I left your mail on the table.
Okay, thanks, Mom. Dearest Priya, I'm hoping this letter finds you well. So wills it that I'll be by your side then. With love, your Kieran. Enough is enough. I have to stay strong. For myself and for Kieran. Two kids at 15 with big hopes and big dreams. Never knew it'd end like this. Now I'm left with nothing, just confused and wondering, where do I go without you here? Why'd you go where I can't follow? Now our dreams are dead. You were my person, my hopes and dreams. You were what life had in store for me. What do I strive for if it's not you? Now I don't know what to do. True love at 20, like two doves on a tree. We intertwined our lives, ripped apart so quickly. You were taken from me. I'm a map without its other half. I don't know where to go without you. You were my north, my only star. You led me far and you cheered me on. You always wanted to see me fly, but now you're not here to be my support. Has my life just passed me by? I don't recognize me. When did I need somebody to remind me who I've always been? Still a girl with big dreams, ready to fly from this tree. I know that this won't be the end. I have to go where you can't follow, but I'll bring you in my heart. been so long. Why haven't you been responding to my texts?
Right. My sleep schedule has just been a little messed up recently.
And I see that you've got a new look. It's different, but Nicole, is everything okay?
Yeah, I'm good. Like, great, in fact.
Is Ryan really worth all this? The partying and the new look?
Look, this isn't about Ryan. Who even cares about him? This is about me. Like, was I supposed to just sit around and be miserable?
Okay, and is this helping you at all?
I mean, I like not looking like myself. I like going to the clubs, flirting with strangers, and, you know, the old invisible Nicole is gone. People are finally starting to notice me.
Nicole, you were never invisible. We always noticed you. But I love you and I support whatever you want. But I know you and I don't think this is what you really want to do.
I think you have no idea what you're talking about. But thankfully, guess what? Guess who's not pregnant?
Thank God. That would be insane.
Yeah, but anyways, shall we go get lunch?
Yes, let's go.
Long time no see, girl.
No, we have so much to talk about. Hi guys, thanks for coming over.
Hi, Priya.
Long time no see.
Ah, it's been too long.
Yeah, why are you trying to hang out, huh?
What do you mean? Do you guys not want to see me? Should I just stay at home alone and die?
Okay, drama queen. Hey, you know, speaking of drama, I finally submitted my portfolio to that publication I was telling you all about. This was ages ago. But, I mean, now I'm shitting myself with nerves.
Oh,
Yeah.
proud of you, bro.
Yeah, congrats, Ryan.
Thanks, guys. Honestly, it does feel like a dream.
And how have your parents been taking it?
Well, not well. But, I mean, okay, it was to be expected. And honestly, I'm just really glad that they haven't thrown me out of the house yet.
Bro, just chill. Like, they're definitely gonna change their tune. You know, once you become an award-winning photojournalist. Just one thing, don't forget about us when you become big and famous.
Yeah, you better not.
Okay.
Oh, and Sham, how have you been doing?
Yeah, not bad actually. I started learning the e-guitar, so guess I'm not so boring after all now. Eh?
Boring? I don't know who said that.
Yeah, sure, yeah. But yeah, I think I might want to start busking while waiting for my masters.
Damn, bro. Legit, you gotta let us know when you start.
Okay, anyways, I hope you guys know I'm really proud of all the things you're doing. But have either of you spared a thought for Nicole? While the both of you have been off doing all these things, Nicole has been going off the deep end of it.
Yeah, Priya's right. I mean, we should go and talk to her lah.
Yeah, I'm so worried about her.
honestly, bro, I'm kind of worried. Like, you know, when I rejected her, like, that was the most awkward thing ever.
Yeah, and I didn't help with that, lol. I haven't spoken to her in a while, so I don't know how to react. Yeah. Wait, what? Oh,
Hi, Nicole.
hey Nick. Thanks for agreeing to meet up with us.
Yeah.
Yeah, so what's happening?
I mean, I guess we wanted to apologize.
For what?
Um, I'm really sorry about the way I rejected you. Yeah, it was. I mean, we were all going through a shit time, and I was a dick to you, and I really should have. I should have been nicer, lah. And I hope that if you want, maybe we can still be friends in the future.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah, I'm sorry too for not being there when you needed me. I was just so caught up in my own feelings, I completely ignored yours. So, I hope you can give me a chance to be a better friend to you now.
Thanks, Shang. So, why did both of you just decide to...
I mean, we met recently, and we've both been doing much better these days. But we thought about you and how we left things.
Yeah, I mean, we realized that, you know, after Kieran, we just sort of vented our rage and our grief, and then, I mean, we sort of disappeared.
Yeah, so, I want to ask, how have you been?
I mean, I guess I'm doing not so great. I think I've just been running around trying to get people to love me.
Nick, you don't need to do any of that. I mean, you're really nice, you're really kind, and you're really, really funny.
Yeah, you're so lovable. Sorry if we made you feel like you weren't.
Thanks, guys. Apology accepted. So, can we go now?
Where?
I was planning to go to Sephora to get this new eyeliner.
Sephora?
What's eyeliner?
Let's just go. There's a sale happening. We can't miss it. Let's just go.
Alright, come. Nothing left already, we just take photo. Come. Everyone ready, Oi, Sham, what are you doing? Pass Priya the flowers lah. Come on. If you want one, I just go and buy one for you,
Fine, since you spoke and whatever. Get me a bigger and expensive one also.
Hey, darling.
Congrats on your opening day. I'm so proud of you.
Oi, okay. Everyone ready,
Yep.
Very good. Alright, we will take the photo in 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. For Kieran!
Thank you all for coming to watch QP31. This has been Blossoms in the Rain. I'm glad to hear you guys enjoyed it from all the way backstage, and I would like to take a second to introduce all the people who made it possible. So without further ado, this is our cast. our music directors, our sets and props team, our costume and makeups team, our tech team, our publicity team hiding among you. Yeah, and we'd like to thank our venue, NLB, and the Drama Center for letting us use their black box. Thank you to National Youth Council for granting us with the Young Changemakers Fund, and thank you all for coming down on a Sunday evening post Taylor Swift. So I'm sure you guys had nothing better to do anyways. And this has been QP31. Thank you guys.